Hey everyone, if you are getting the current network is unavailable error while playing Mobile Legends on Android, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, restart your router or switch to mobile data to see if the issue is with your network. Also turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off and try again. Next, clear the Mobile Legends game cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, Manage Apps or App Management depending on your phone model. Find Mobile Legends from the list. Tap Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Restart the game and see if the issue is fixed. If not, try clearing data as well, but note that this will reset your in-game settings. Make sure Mobile Legends has network permissions enabled. Go to Settings, then Apps, Manage Apps or App Management. Find Mobile Legends from the list. Permissions and allow Wi-Fi and mobile data access. If you're still facing issues, update the game from the Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends and update it. Outdated versions may cause network errors. Also, check for any pending system updates by going to Settings, then find Software Update option and install any available updates. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, try using a VPN to see if the issue is related to server restrictions or ISP problems. Connect to a different region and then try launching the game again. And that's it. Your Mobile Legends should now connect without the current network is unavailable either. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. See you in the next one.